Now, we're diving into the Asus ZenBook 14 OLED, a sleek, ultra-portable laptop perfect for productivity, creativity, and on-the-go use. Price premium specs at a competitive price around $1,000, $1,200. First, the brand and model Asus ZenBook 14 OLED UX 3405 Series 2025 edition. It's a Copilot Plus PC with built-in AI acceleration for tasks like photo editing or video calls. Screen size and display 14-inch WUXGA 1920 by 1200 old touchscreen. This glossy panel delivers stunning visuals with 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, 500 nit HDR brightness, and a 60 Hz refresh rate. It's vibrant, accurate for creators, and touch-enabled with stylus support, ideal for note-taking or drawing. Color options: Jasper, Gray, Foggy Silver, or Ponder Blue in variants. Storage hard disk size: 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 NVMe SSD, fast boot times under 10 seconds, and ample space for files, apps, and media. CPU model: Intel Core Ultra 7255H Series 2, Arrow Lake 16-core 6 performance, 8 efficiency, 2 low power, up to 5.1 GHz, with integrated NPU 4 AI tasks up to 13 TOPS. Paired with Intel Arc graphics, it handles multitasking, light gaming, and 4K video editing smoothly. Latest benchmarks show it outperforming AMD Ryzen 7 equivalents in multi-core tests while sipping power at 28 West TDP. RAM memory: 16 GB LPDDR5X, soldered, non-upgradable, efficient for running multiple apps like Chrome with 20 tabs or Adobe Suite without lag. Operating system: Windows 11 Home upgradable to Pro, includes Copilot AI for smart assistants. Special features: battery, 75 Wh Lion, up to 15 hours of mixed use, for example, 10 hours streaming. Real-world tests confirm 12 to 14 hours for office work. Connectivity: Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, 2x Thunderbolt 4, 40 gigabits per second. Charging display: 1x USB 3.2 Gen 1, HDMI 2.1, audio jack. Build: ultralight, 2.82 pounds, 1.28 kilograms, 12.3 x 8.67 x 0.59 inches, military grade, MIL STD8, 10H durability. Extras: FHDIR, webcam with privacy shutter, Harman Kardon speakers, backlit keyboard with 1.5mm travel, precision touchpad number pad in some configs, and included accessories like sleeve and Ethernet adapter. Now, we're taking an in-depth look at the Lenovo Legion 5 Gen 10, a powerful 15.1-inch gaming laptop that delivers high-end features, strong performance, and a stunning old display, perfect for gamers, creators, and multitaskers. Brand and model: this is the Lenovo Legion 5 Gen 10 gaming laptop, part of Lenovo's next-gen Legion lineup with upgraded performance and visuals. Screen size and display: 15.1-inch WQX GA25601-600, old panel with ultra-rich colors and deep contrast. Refresh rate: 165 Hz for super smooth visuals in games. Brightness and color: up to 500 nits brightness, 100% DCI-P3 color, gamut, and HDR True Black 604, immersive detail. Processor: CPU. The configuration on Amazon includes a high-performance AMD Ryzen 7260 processor, an 8-core 16-thread CPU with a base of 3.8 GHz and up to 5.1 GHz. Boost speed: great for gaming and heavy workloads. Graphics: GPU, dedicated NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 with 8 GB GDDR7 video memory, enabling real-time ray tracing, high frame rates, and excellent performance in modern AAA games. Memory and storage: RAM, 32 GB DDR5, ideal for multitasking, content creation, and gaming without slowdown. Storage: 1 TB PCIe NVMe SSD for fast load times, quick boot ups, and lots of room for games and files. Operating system comes with Windows 11 Pro, pre-installed, modern, secure, and optimized for gaming and productivity out of the box. Keyboard and design: RGB backlit keyboard, 24-zone, RGB lighting that gamers love. With good key travel and responsive feedback, build sleek Eclipse black design that looks premium and modern. Connectivity, Wi-Fi 7 and Bluetooth 5.4 ensures super-fast wireless networking. I/O includes USB Type-C with power delivery and display port, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet RJ45, USB-A ports, and more, perfect for gaming accessories and external displays. Battery and portability. While gaming laptops aren't known for long battery life, the Legion 5 Gen 10 still offers good battery performance for daily tasks, and the design balances performance with manageable weight, approximately 1.9 kilograms, in many configurations. Special features and value: old with high refresh rate, strong cooling system, and performance headroom for demanding games and workflows. Compatible with NVIDIA DLSS and Reflex technologies for smoother gameplay. If you want a gaming laptop that blends high-resolution old visuals, top-tier RTX performance, fast storage, and lots of RAM, and a modern feature set without breaking the bank, the Lenovo Legion 5 Gen 10 is a compelling choice.